Hi, today I will be talking about our Group 4 project that we did a couple weeks ago. And talk about a couple of design aspects. So first off, as you can see, it's made out of cardboard. This is a recyclable material, just disposable and can be reused. Some of the design features we have in our Group 4 project are there's cardboard cutouts so viewers of our project can see the lungs. We also got a pulley that connects to one of the lungs, and this pulls the blocks under the ramp, and this causes the ramp to go down and for the ball to go down it. And then we got and then that's about it for the design tech aspect of it.
The tubes represented the oral cavity, larynx, and trachea. The beginning of the tubes represented the oral cavity. Someone filled the tube with air by insufflating, and the air passed through the larynx, down the trachea, and into the lungs, and provides the oxygen and other air gases to enter to the lungs. The trachea is a wide, hollow tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi of the lungs. It is an integral part of the body's airway and has the vital function of providing air flow to and from the lungs for respiration.
Onto the lungs. The black outlines on the cardboard display the shape of the lungs. The balloons attached to the tubes show the process of inhalation and exhalation, and the relationship between pressure and volume in physics. When the air is inhaled, the diaphragm is pushed down, the pressure around the lungs decreases, and allows the oxygen and other air gases to enter the lungs. When exhaling, the diaphragm decreases volume and increases in pressure, pushing air out of the lungs. This is shown when the air is blown into the tubes, expanding the balloons. The law of physics that supports this is called the Boyle's law. This law describes how the pressure of gas increases as the area of volume decreases.
For my section of the Group 4 assignment, it consisted of a ball rolling down a ramp to mimic oxygen flow. The ball would hit 2 stacks of dominoes. One stack would lead to a domino attached with Tums falling into a cup of vinegar to simulate oxygen flowing to clear lactic acid, while the other stack of dominoes would be falling into the remaining parts of the body, such as the arms, torso, head, etc.
If you have ever had an intense workout and your muscles started to burn, it was probably from a buildup of lactic acid in your muscles and bloodstream, which is a chemical reaction called anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is the transfer of energy from glucose to your cells without oxygen. So, when you exercise, your body uses oxygen to break down glucose for energy. During an intense workout, there may not be enough oxygen available to complete this process, so a substance called lactate is made. Your body can convert this lactate into energy without using oxygen, but this lactate or lactic acid can build up in your bloodstream faster than you can burn it off, causing the burning sensation. From our video, we had Tums that were dropped into vinegar where the Tums acted as a base and the vinegar acted as an acid. So, in our video, when they reacted, carbon dioxide was produced. The carbon dioxide represents exhalation, which was what we do a lot when we exercise. In order to get rid of lactic acid in your muscles and bloodstream, oxygen is required as lactic acid is formed from a lack of oxygen in your body. So, to counteract it, you need to breathe in more oxygen, which would be delivered to your muscles, thereby slowing the production of lactic acid, and after a few minutes, the pain will disappear.